Independence Day means the freedom to dream and the opportunity to turn those dreams into reality. It's about having the courage to speak up, the will to work hard, and the heart to care for others.
For me, it's the privilege to live in a free country and the duty to protect that freedom through my actions. It's about remembering that our rights will come with responsibilities we must uphold every single day. Happy Independence Day.
For me, Independence Day is a reminder of the courage and sacrifices made by those before us. It's a day to reflect on their dreams for our country and to commit ourselves to building a nation that is honest, compassionate, and strong.
Independence Day reminds me that freedom is not a one-time achievement, but something we safeguard every day through discipline and service. In NCC, we instill in our cadets the values of respect, responsibility, and readiness. Because the strength of a nation lies in the character of its citizens.
सबको नमस्कार। आज हम 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे मना रहा है। आज हमको पता होना चाहिए हमारा पूर्वी लोगों ने कितना त्याग और बलिदान करके हमको ये इंडिपेंडेंस मिला है। हमारा कर्तव्य यह है कि हम उस इंडिपेंडेंस को बनाए रखेंगे और मजबूत रखेंगे। जय हिंद।
Independence Day for me is a time to remember that the progress of a nation depends on the values we uphold as individuals. It is a celebration of our freedom and a reminder that through education, empathy, and ethical leadership, we can create a society that honors the sacrifices of our past and builds hope for the future. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.
For me, Independence Day is more than a celebration. It is a reminder of the vision our freedom fighters had for this great nation. I think education is the bridge that connects that vision into reality. When we nurture responsible, compassionate, and knowledgeable citizens, we are safeguarding the values of justice, liberty, and equality for generations to come.
Independence Day, to me, is a call to action. It is not only about remembering the sacrifice of our past, but also about shaping the future with integrity, unity of purpose, and commitment. Our role as teachers and students is to ensure that the freedom we enjoy today becomes the foundation for a stronger, more inclusive, and more progressive India, one that our children will inherit with pride. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day.